Butter mayo. Melt 6 ounces of butter in a small pot. 1 egg yolk. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. In a small bowl, mix Dijon and egg together. Pour some clarified butter in and emulsify. Beautiful, smooth. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Salt. Pepper. Gorgeous. Pan-seared crab cakes. 1 egg. Butter mayo. Scallions. Red chili flakes. Tarragon. Lemon juice. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk the ingredients together. Add the crab meat. Gently stir, and don't break up the meat too much. Gradually, add some leftover mashed potatoes. Shaped and ready to rock. Heat some butter in a pan over medium heat. Place the patties in the pan. Cook until golden brown. 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Beautiful. A little lemon on top, optional. Delicious.
And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's Cooking Without the Bad Foods. It is a traditional cookbook that has been rewritten without the bad foods, especially gluten and no oil. It is 300 pages jammed with recipes and a great textbook to follow. And don't forget to check us out on Notice Foods on Instagram, where we have tons of content. You can ask us any questions and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.